Okay, here I am again. This is the second part of my video. And be sure to prepare your books, and you should have your book with you so that we can learn together. As what I've explained to you, so income statement shows how much the company earned and spent. It is also used with the balance sheet to find out about the financial position of a company. And if you see the numbers written in brackets, it show negative numbers. So this is all about the income statement. So I've noticed that many of you did not answer some very easy task because you are not following instructions, and maybe you are not watching the videos. So please watch this one to help you uh, answer or do your homework assignment. Okay? So this is your first task, and I just want you to, or I want to explain it here because, or so that you can answer this uh, properly. So first here, you're going to look at the income statement for electronics and more limited and match these definitions to the underlined words. Yeah? So the underlined words here are cost of goods sold, depreciation, amortization, EBIT, and net profit after tax. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So use these words to answer here, to put here. What's the definition? Or this is the different. These are the definitions, and you are going to use these words from the income statement. Huh? Don't forget. Don't use any other words. Only use this sales, cost of goods sold, depreciation, amortization, EBIT, and net profit after tax. So 6 words to answer here. Did you get it? Okay. I told you the meaning of this already. EBIT is earnings before interest and tax. This one is minus figure. This one, or negative numbers. This is what I've told you a while ago. And this one is, yeah, these are very important in English. Yeah, especially in banking and finance. This is very useful also. This is math. Plus, this one is the symbol. Minus here. Times, or you can say multiplied by, this one. And equals, or is, or yeah, equals. This one is divided by. And this one is percent. I've noticed that some students say percentage, but this one only percent. Okay? So this is how to do your first task. Next task. So this is about language, about modals of speculation. So we can use modals can, may, might, or could to speculate or guess. So you're guessing, for example, it might mean their performance is not as good as it was last year. Yeah, this is an example. You can guess or speculate. we use an infinitive without to after can, may, might, and could. So here it could mean. So no need to change the verbs. It should have in this is infinitive without to. No need to put to. Yeah. So I could mean that there were problems in the whole sector last year. So this is about modals of speculation. You can use these words, these modals, yeah, to answer this one. So you can put the words in numbers 1, 2, and 3 in the correct order to make sentences. So I will not give you an example. You can do this, I know. Just arrange these words in order, in a correct order to make sentences. And it makes sense. Okay? Next. The third task that you're going to do is about the cash flow statement. We discussed this last week, but I will read the definition here again. Cash flow statements are the third important document that companies produce. The income statement shows if the company made a profit, and the cash flow statement shows if the company generated cash. When we look at the bottom line of the cash flow statement, we see if operations resulted in a net increase, or decrease in the cash the company has. Therefore, the cash flow statement is important for finding out if the company can pay its bills. So it's very clear, yeah? The definitions and the difference between the cash flow statement and the income statement. Okay, now you cannot do this speaking, but you can do this one, reading. Look at the cash flow statement in one again. So this is the cash flow statement. This one. And match 1 to 9. 1 to 9 here. Here, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Match 1 to 9 to definitions A to I. So you can write numbers in the space provided here. Each of the item here. So write numbers here. The profit after tax, decrease in accounts payable, increase in taxes payable, increase in accounts payable, net cash from operations, plant and equipment, issuing new shares, bank loans, and net increases in cash. So you need to match these words to the definitions here. Okay. Next. Are there any questions? Yeah, I know you have, but just try to understand this one. You can search on Google or any other reference if you have doubt, or you can call or comment or send a message to me. Next task is about language again, cause and effect. So what is this? To express cause, we use because or as here. Yeah, we use these two plus a new clause. Example, the PLA is important because, here, use because here, investors can see the performance of a company for a period of time. So let's example. We also use phrases such as thanks to, owing to, due to, because of, plus a gerund or a noun. So we have example here. The company lost money due to higher prices for raw materials. So this one, due to. This is um, phrases or phrase to use here. Yeah. To express effect. So this is for the causes here. To express effect or result. So effect or result. We use words such as therefore or consequently. So therefore, comma, the cash flow statement is important. We also use phrases such as result in or resulting in, plus a gerund or a noun. Example, all the expenses are subtracted, resulting in this final figure. So as a result, yeah, therefore, so using the effect and result. So you have to answer this exercise here, or yeah, you have to make these two sentences into one using this effect here, resulting in. Can be the first or in the middle. This one can be the first sentence or this is the first sentence. You have to think, analyze the two words and try to do it correctly. Okay? So again, use owing to, and therefore. So you have to think either the first, you should write this in first or in the middle or whatever. So you have to think carefully. Okay? Another one here. Oh yeah, just the same. Okay, sorry. Let's move on. So review unit 6. The first one is you have to choose the words in italics. So italics here are this one. Yeah. You have to choose either caused by or resulting in, some or any, manufacture or manufactured, bringing or brought. Okay? And few, little, might, can. This is just a review. And this one, number 2, write these mathematical formulas in words. Then work in pairs and practice saying them aloud. Like for example, 64,098 and 98 plus 3,456 equals 67,554. Yeah. Okay, so you can do and write somewhere here. You can edit this Google Slides to answer, to write your answers can be here somewhere. Have space here, a lot of space here. Okay. The last part is of the review is the vocabulary. So instead of working in pairs, you have to do it alone. So use the clues to unscramble these words. Then use the letters in the numbered boxes to find the secret words. So you have to arrange these letters to form two words here. Yeah. And this one here. All of this. You have to review. You have to find the words. You have to arrange the letters to find the correct words. And after writing the words here, if you can write or the correct words here, you have to use these to okay, if you are finished here, if you are done with this 1 to 10, you can construct the words already here. You can have the words, the correct words here. You have to use these words to match the definitions here 1 to 10. Okay, so that's all for today, and I hope everyone is learning. Bye bye.